Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Colombian Alinos. It's kind of like a seasoning sauce that you can put in a lot of dishes to just make them burst full of flavor. It's made with a few simple ingredients. I got them all laid out here, and also you will need a mixer. Let's get started.
We need 1 medium tomato chopped, half a cup of red pepper, half a cup of green pepper, cilantro, add half a cup of white onion, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 package of Sazón Goya. Also add half a cup of water and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Cover the blender and blend it until you have a creamy sauce. Fill the seasoning sauce into a silicone muffin tray.
Once you finish pouring all the alinos into the muffin pan, just place it into the freezer for a few hours. Put a few in a regular Ziploc bag, and the rest I'm just gonna put in a vacuum bag so they keep a little bit longer fresh. So all you gotta do is just pop them out. They pop out super easy. That's the reason I love those muffin pans, because it goes so easy. And just place them into the Ziploc bag.